Nobody knows when it's their last day on this earth. That's why me have to give thanks to life. Every day I open up my eyes. Nobody knows when it's their last day in this world. That's why we have to give thanks for life. Every day we open up the eyes. Yeah, man, blessed morning, blessed rising, you know. You go each and every one. You say give thanks to life, you know. Cherish each moment. Every day I wake up, the eyes open, you have to cherish every moment. And don't forget to give praises unto the Most High, ruler of all, you know. Have a blessed day.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know what, health is our wealth and your health is your wealth, so I beg you to please take care of it. Anyone that big up on the damn nice, good self, as I say, give thanks for the support. You know it's always highly appreciated, and you don't know what I love, man. You see me? Now, if you're new to the channel, you don't know the routine already, as me always reiterate, please, if you feel like subscribing, make sure you click that bell. So you get alerted and updated with every content we drop, you see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so this is just a quick update, you know what I mean, relating to Jackie, or, you know what I mean, the cult pastor Kevin Smith and Davianah. You don't know, yeah man, so I know the routine already, you know, after the break. So feels it now. I love guys, we got me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot a crowd in a shame for that. Who feels it now? Who feels it now? Growing up, my life wasn't easy. Believe me, it wasn't a better road. Yes, man, who feels it knows, you know what I mean? Give thanks and praises, be grateful for the little that you have. You know what I mean? Big up all who can relate and know hard life and struggles. You know what I mean? And just know, so you go and hold the faith, and one day things shall get better. You see, my viewers and subscribers? Yes, man, so I don't know. I will of love and blessings. See, so right now we're going to kick it off with Davianah. Big up Davianah. Anyway, there, you know what I mean, two noble daughter. You know, recently she had a little bad experience, you know what I mean, and she came out, which was good, you know what I mean, about her depression and abuse and all of them things there. So now when I see a picture, so I feel like for the share it to the fans and make her fans them say she's doing well. You know what I mean? As I can see the picture with the camera there, I block out that part because the whole of the fat fluff here show. You see with the whole of the fluff show, you know, YouTube policies already. So she make a statement and said the music feels good to my head. That means she do her music, and you know, a good look. You know, she wants to do music, she wants to do dancehall based on the research I did and feedback I had from a source, close source of hers. Said that she wants to dancehall, but you know, her parents don't agree with that. They want her to be the cultural messenger, you know, positivity, but she wants to dancehall like Spice and Essential. So, as I can tell by the dress code, she na bath suit with the whole of the panty, we call it knickers in England, knickers, a shoe, you know, and thing, and all green, you see me? Dress are green, panty are green, shoes are green, hair are green, and she said the music feels good to the head, so it's good for say she do her music, and you know, she feel at the place where she wants to be, you know what I mean, so I don't know. So big up Davianah, stay strong and positive. See? Next now, my viewers and subscribers, look on them picture up on the car. For sure I said this was a deliberate attack on the pastor, the cult pastor, see me, Kevin Smith. That's the side where he was hit, and you can tell. See? Look how the car mash up, man. Look how the car mash up. That is a hell of a lick, you know, man. And look on the van now. Look on the van that we lick it. You can tell. Mash up. We don't hear enough feedback from the people in the van. We don't hear nothing about them. All we hear about are the police and police that passed away and the police that get injured and Kevin Smith who died. Zine. But we don't hear nothing about the people in that van there. So my viewers and subscribers, when you see what I go on, them deliberately, definitely plan to take him out, man, because as people are say, as me I say, you know, a lot of people was too close to this man. You know what I mean? And the man have enough of them secret and have them file and enough of them him work for. And you see me? The bigger superior who the human trafficking and all of them things there. So they had to get him out. You see it? But you can let me know what you think in the comment section. You see it, my viewers and subscribers? Yes, my last but not least, Sikatore, Alcock, Jacure. John was starting to look good for him, He has been remanded for another portion of days. I think he might be in a jail till January. You see me? It's not look good for him, star. You see it? Yeah, he has been remanded for another 83 days. John was star. No look good for Jackie was star. You see me? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna go back to court January 2022. And if found guilty, if convicted, you know what I mean, they might look for at least 25 years because them change. In a Dutch, Holland, them change them manslaughter sentencing from 15 to 25 years. You see me? Yeah, man, and that article I look on, one of the Dutch article, And it just say, Jackie is believed to be the man who appeared in Dutch courts yesterday to face allegations in relation to the stabbing of Ricardo Blake, the promoter. You see me? John Star. The Dutch Prosecution Service confirmed that the council chamber of the Amsterdam court has decided to further detain a suspect believed to be Jackie for another 83 days. You know what I mean? But I look good. Big up all the Jackie fans, if you just go and pray for him, see me, but based on what I say, it look good and what I hear, But we don't know if we hope for the best. I know we're not judge no man, we're not scan no man. You know what I mean? And boy, they look like if he's convicted, this is gonna get added. This is gonna be added to his previous conviction, after the rape conviction. You know what I mean? It's gonna add to him criminal record. You know what I mean? Boy, I mean, tell us that. If only Jackie would just think before him act and don't draw that knife or use that knife, Just walk away style. But that's how it goes still. Sometimes you have to pay for learn and no man no perfect, you see me? And as bad as Jackie have him ways, me personally now wish no bad for him. You see me? He spread about the lie night still, but me definitely now wish no bad for no man, you see me? Yeah, but the prosecution person who have the case doesn't seem like a nice man because we must say, perpetrators who really got released before them time feels unjust and cannot be explained to the victims. A sentence imposed will be a sentence served. So basically, I must say, convictors who get released before them time, it's not fair upon the person, the victims, you know what I mean? So boy, my viewers and subscribers, let me know the things in the comment section there. Don't know, this is just a quick update. You see me? So big up each and every one in a whole heap of love, Stay safe, God bless and give thanks for the support. You see it? I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Yeah, me.
From now on I'm gonna settle down. No more I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around, baby. From now on.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.